Hey guys, I'm Lydia. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hi. This is a very spontaneous and last minute video, but my laptop broke yesterday. So I needed to buy a new laptop because I have exams tomorrow. So I ended up buying a new MacBook. This is my first MacBook. Definitely was a bit of an investment, and I did a lot of research before getting it to make sure I got a good one for filming and for interior design. I'm an interior designer if you didn't know that. Through all the research I did, I decided on getting this gold MacBook Air. It's the 254 gigabytes and it has the M1 chip, which I saw is supposed to make it like really fast. I know this doesn't have a fan or anything. It's really lightweight and I'm so excited. So we're gonna do an unboxing today. I'm gonna give my first impression and review on it. I know it's definitely something I'm gonna get a ton of use out of. I really do feel like laptops are something you shouldn't feel guilty about buying, especially if you're a student, because you're gonna get so much value out of it. Especially for like editing, you can download all of the apps, whereas like I had a Chromebook before this, a touch screen, so that's gonna be something like really hard to get used to not having anymore. You can download iMovie, iTunes, like any of those kind of devices I needed. I've wanted one for literally ever, and I think it's gonna be so useful and so helpful. I know this laptop came out in like 2020, so it is a little later of a model. Out of all the reviews, I was comparing the MacBook Pro, other types of Air. This one I saw with the M1 chip, and I just feel like this is the one that would work best for me, especially in this type of price range. It's a lightweight, so it's easy to carry around. As a student at Apple, they offer free AirPods and like a student discount. We don't have an Apple here. So I went to Best Buy, and Best Buy does like a price match. So I got this laptop for $11.69 when it's originally I think $12.99 or $13.99. They wouldn't give me the AirPods that Apple offers, but I still got a discount, so I'm really excited about that. I saved like $200. Okay, so I'm gonna open this up now. I've been waiting for the unboxing. We're gonna open up the plastic. It's so satisfying. I'm so excited. Look how beautiful. This is so pretty. Brand new. There's nothing better than getting like new Apple products. Setting it up is like an annoying process. This is the gold color. It looks kind of pinky, which honestly I love because all of my other things are pink. Like my Apple Watch is pink, my phone's pink. When you take it out of the box, it feels so thin off the plastic. So this feels very lightweight. I would definitely recommend getting a case for this. Obviously, if you're getting it, definitely get a case. I don't trust people who don't put phone cases and like cases on their electronics. Like, how do you have that much trust in yourself? Keyboard's pink. This is not made for people with nails. On the side, it has these two little ports. There's speakers all along the side here. In the box, it just comes with one of these little charger. Again, not made for people with nails. Comes with one of these little charger cords. It comes with a big charging block as well. Also, it doesn't come with an adapter, and the USB port's different on that, so you're gonna have to get an adapter. Okay, so I'm gonna go charge this, and then we're gonna set it up. So when you first turn it on, this is what pops up. And then it's just gonna take you through the typical Apple setup. The keys also glow when you open the laptop and it's on. Laptop came dead. It turned on within like 2 seconds. It's taking a while to like set everything up. Guys, this is so exciting. I'm so glad I got this. Oh, it's not touchscreen. This is a million times faster and better than my other one. It's just so convenient to be able to like actually link all of my Apple products, because there's nothing more annoying than having like 3 of the same brand devices and then one that just isn't the same. So it's like you can have everything connected except for one of your items. This makes it so much easier. Seriously, like if you have all Apple products and you know you like Apple products, I really recommend switching to a MacBook. I don't think it's overrated. I think it's worth it. I didn't realize the MacBook Air has this and not just the MacBook Pro. It has Touch ID, and you just set it up here and press this little corner button. I was wondering what this button was. I wasn't sure. Okay, so when you first unlock it, very long, it's shorter than it took me to set up my phone. Oh, this is what the home page looks like. It has so many things in it. You can set up Apple Pay on here. I know it has Siri. It has everything you could possibly need. So I think for the rest of the day, I'm just gonna get kind of used to using this, arrange the apps and create like a cute wallpaper. Go buy a new laptop case. I did see that the battery life is supposed to be 10 hours. I'm looking here. There is an option on here for low power mode for your battery, so I think that'll help make it last longer as well. If you're debating on this between the Pro and this, I know the battery life was one of the key differences, but just know that there is the battery save mode for the MacBook Air. Come here. This is what the settings looks like, so it's so easy to set up all of your accounts, wallet, Bluetooth, really easy way to connect everything, even printers. I had a really hard time setting up my printer with my other laptop. This is what it looks like in better lighting. Okay, so when you open up your laptop, once you set it up, I finished creating like wallpaper and a vision board. I know it's lame, whatever. And you just hold your fingerprint and it'll unlock the screen and you can actually screen record. I'm gonna show you how to do that. It's gonna hold Command, Shift, and then 5 all at once. And then once you do that, this little screen will pop up and you can drag it and choose how you want. Screen you want recording or to screenshot. You can choose the entire screen, select a portion. So there's also a launchpad screen, like drag and drop to rearrange the apps into your homepage. Something I didn't realize when I got this is that they don't have a YouTube app, they don't have the Facebook app for Mac, they don't have a lot of the basic phone apps specifically for the Macs. So what I had to do was just make a little shortcut for my homepage. So this is the case I decided to order off Amazon, and then this is kind of the settings area in the top right hand corner. And then in the bottom right hand corner of your screen, there's a quick notes feature as well. Okay guys, so that's all for my first impression. I honestly love it. It's super lightweight, beautiful, feels so nice, so easy to type, really easy to set up. And I know when you buy a new laptop and new electronics, sometimes it's like really annoying to adjust and get used to the differences, but I feel like this is gonna be so easy. The features it does have, I really think this is a great purchase still, even though it's an older model. I think it'll still be able to function and do exactly like what you need to do, especially if you're a student and you are looking for a good quality laptop without like killing your bank account. I think this is still a great option. Thanks so much for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe for more content. This is such a fun, like different video I wasn't expecting to make, but I'm so excited anyways. Go comment down below if you have this laptop and what your opinion is on it. I would love to hear what you guys' thoughts are on it. And thanks so much for watching.